Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
the easiest way to make jerk chicken in the oven. You know, because we don't got that grill. You know what I'm saying? But it's easy. Explain. Explain.
So
Explain, girl.
So today we have a whole jerk chicken with some vegetable. Okay, you say what I'm saying
Vegetables, right?
When I say vegetables,
oh, we say vegetable.
Vegetable. All right, I saw it still. Yard man thing.
Yeah.
So honey,
no yard man thing.
Yard
man thing, boy. Yard man thing. We feel like, boy, yard man thing yourself. Damn, just stop. Why is it so hard?
I don't know. That'll still be tripping.
So we got
God, I messed up my shirt.
Don't worry about it. So we got a whole little freaky chicken. You say the chicken spread out. You know, those are the kind of chicken first lady like little freaky chicken will spread out like that. So I did a whole one. You know, we did it in the oven. Yeah, if you want to watch the video how I did with the carnation, go check it out. But when we get that grill, I'm gonna show you the real deal. But you know, what's something quick? Then I got my special mix up sauce. You know what I'm saying? How does it taste, first lady? Makes you want to slap your mama?
Slap somebody. Not my mama though, 'cause she'll slap back.
Wow. Can I get up to the camera now? No clothes.
I want clothes, but we gotta get up. Listen, my sauce something.
Yeah, straw? Breast good. First they don't like breast.
We just felt like
Using your hands for that. Huh?
and
The sauce is hitting.
it's eating a whole jerk chicken.
First day I gotta eat my greens. You know what I'm saying? I'm drinking a little lemonade, Sunkiss. It's alright.
I came home from work today, took a shower. How long I was sleeping for, honey?
About 5 hours.
Was it tired?
5 hours while I'm starving. Family, I'm gonna be honest to you. This is my first meal of the day. I'm being serious.
Family, this is my half a meal for the day.
Now you know.
Because I had something small at work.
Yeah.
But I know Richie's making this good up jerk chicken. But I was tired, y'all.
Sauce, how does sauce taste?
Sauce tastes good. You know what?
Damn.
I don't miss the rice.
You don't?
The vegetable tastes really good with it.
Nice, man.
You know what would go perfect with this?
What?
Some cornstarch.
Yeah, Lord. Family, no way. Again, we can't knock what other people eat. Like how some people might not like what we eat, but we tried it.
We didn't like it. I may have to curry it.
Yeah, you probably have to curry it, yeah.
I think I have to curry it.
Yeah. We got some sweet comments that we made y'all laugh. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we give you an honest review, you know what I'm saying? Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing over here?
No. You don't yum like my youth. Ooh.
You see that? She want to come on my side, but on yum leg. But yeah, we gave our honest review. You know what I'm saying? That's not for us, but people say they love it.
I mean,
I think we're missing something. I think we have to get the flavored one.
I think so. Because listen, family, here's the thing. I saw videos of people enjoying it, so I know people like it. I just didn't know so many of our family members enjoyed it.
Enjoy it. Yeah.
Understand?
That made us like, wow. For real, you got enough napkin over there?
I think it's flu.
Where? Behind me?
I don't know.
Might jump on my shirt.
But my mother, she used to eat dirt when she was pregnant with my sister and I.
Yeah.
No. She used to eat dirt with my sister and lotion with me. I don't know. Maybe that's why I can't stop talking.
Talk too much more.
I talk too much. But, yeah. So, I saw a lot of comments. And you guys love it. I was surprised.
Yeah. But again, you know, First Lady, everybody eat different stuff.
Yes.
So, what we may not like, other people like. You know what I'm saying? Like I said before. So.
But I enjoyed watching them eat the cornstarch.
Yeah.
That's what made me go out and buy it, because the way they was eating it, I said that cornstarch must be good. But I'm thinking they put some in there. Some tequila, some vodka.
Family.
Some peanut punch.
Something, cause yo. That's why I used to fry my chicken. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I said that. That's what I used to fry my chicken. And you see how the chicken be looking? Go check the video out. And this is not too peppery. Yeah. You know any no way I jerk sauce? You gonna go buy the next one day?
Yeah? You're a typical man, you don't look.
No, look, because that's one for look.
You don't spend money.
But I thought we'll spend money.
This is really good, honey.
Good. That's
You did a
sauce.
great job.
That's sauce. Thank you. That sauce right there, just sauce saying one. Nice.
All the vegetable.
Vegetable nice one sauce, man. Cauliflower. Hey, cauli.
Yeah.
Family, this was a big chicken too. No? I love the breast.
And you spread it out.
Freaky chicken.
Freaky. Everybody don't go to mine.
Yeah.
Can't sing that part.
Can't see that on there. Wait. How you doing? Yeah. Easiest way. If you never had jerk chicken, try this. Simple. And I told y'all before in other videos. Very
Honey,
simple. Yeah.
this chicken looked like you put it on the grill.
Yeah, we know how to do it one. Some people.
Because me can't do that. My one come out dry. I'm not gonna lie, when I made jerk chicken, and she was like,
Look how soft the meat is.
yeah, don't do it like that.
Or when you do it in the oven.
Yeah, this is how you do it. When I make it on the grill, it be banging.
Yeah.
But in the oven, he said, this is how you do it. When he showed it to me, I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah. Check out the video. I didn't hear what y'all said. Tell me busy talking.
Wait a minute.
What?
Fabi,
What?
they're gonna be so mad at me.
What?
You guys gotta go check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah. Yeah.
We're back. I know you like First Lady outfit of the day because I love it. Wow, we just got caught up. You know how it is already. Just caught up.
My bad, family.
Don't worry, family. All the seasoning right here. Come on, First Lady. How we got that?
The food, man, the chicken look extra scrumptious.
First, you can pick around any way you want. I know you like the bony part.
Nope. I'm not looking right now.
You can pick her out any way you want, First Lady. You know what I'm saying? Ah, man. This was a big chicken. I ain't gonna lie. Big chicken this. Excuse me.
I would take a few more napkins, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want a few?
Thank you, Jesus. I thought you don't give me one. You know, so me pay for it already. Stingy with the napkins, them one.
I love when the napkin is done, you see?
Yeah. The family know.
Yeah, they know. I love when napkin done. You use napkin like every little thing you want to grab and wipe your hair. I don't know why. Y'all do that too? Every little second, y'all want to do?
What?
Stop talking my mouth full, remember? I gotta be quiet. I can't talk with my mouth full. People say don't talk with my mouth full. But anyway. Family.
Y'all listen to them?
I'm not listening to them. Me not change. Can't change. Do y'all do this? Y'all can wash your hand in the bathroom, leave the bathroom with your towel in there to go in the kitchen to go grab a napkin and wipe your hand. Does that make sense? I ain't calling no name.
The towel is to wipe my body, not to wipe my my hands. If I wipe my hands on it when I bathe with the same towel, if I go grab a napkin.
Where's napkin, man? Where's napkin?
And plus,
What?
oh, I thought I hear Sasha. And plus, I use paper towel to wipe my face, not a towel. That's what them say.
Yo, this mixed up sauce is hitting.
It's hitting. I don't like how this tastes.
Alright.
I don't know.
What else? Zucchini? Oh.
I love zucchini, but it's not hitting. So we're not yum that.
This sauce right here, I put something different in this one. First, they didn't even see what I put in this one. That's why she's so like, wow. Oh. Wow. I'm here.
Wow.
Chicken nice, man. Now I like a big chicken tuna. I was looking for small one. I couldn't find it.
I know family. I know guys.
Damn, chicken all getting in my nose.
I drink a lot. But here's the thing.
Stop. Somebody said that you drink too much. That's why you get full.
Family. You know, say it right.
Shawnee, are true enough?
The problem is.
If you drink too much, that's why she full.
The problem is, I'm gonna meet man.
First lady. Hold that thought.
Uh-oh. What's going on?
Transformation time.
Uh-oh.
Let me clean up myself. Yeah. Go on eat, First lady.
You can't stop me.
Go ahead eat.
What y'all say?
Okay. She's outside.
Yeah.
Stop. Pastor Rich is in the building. Okay, now I'm here now. So listen up. Listen up clearly. First lady. Wow.
Sorry.
That's tough. Damn.
It pop out.
Yeah. Pop out, man. You ready now? Listen up, family. Hate no one, no matter how much they wronged you. Live humbly, no matter how wealthy you become. Think positive, no matter how hard life is. Give much even if you have been given a little. Forgive all, especially yourself. And never stop praying for the best for everyone.
Ooh, good. That's a good one.
That's a good one, right? I think, yeah, I like this one.
I love it.
Hate is a strong word. Right? Oh, I didn't even show them the back of the skin of chicken. Family, look at the back of the skin out. Look at the back of the skin out chicken.
Can I see it?
You can see it. Look at it. Damn, it's heavy. Ooh.
Ooh, jealous.
Damn.
Ooh, jealous. I want to know. Ooh, jealous.
Chicken nice and fat like first lady. Damn, look at this.
Which part fat?
Nah, you be quiet.
Which part fat?
Quiet. Chicken fat like first lady, body.
You see, he's selling patty with our fat patty.
You sell patty with your fat body. You even dip your sauce, girl.
I dip a lot of sauce. You know my sauce, it depends on what I'm eating. I like to taste the chicken. Want sauce?
No, not sauce, no.
I never mind one.
I've been through enough napkins today, you know?
Yeah. Cause I like eating seafood.
You want more?
Alright, no.
That was good. I also like chicken. You know if I like chicken either?
I'm full.
Oh, I bit my lip, family.
You know what chicken? You always bite your lip. Wow! My gosh!
Damn it.
Your teeth is crazy.
Family, I just bit my lip. I don't think I have to do a mukbang tomorrow. I'm gonna have spice. Damn, Tom, it's big?
Honey, it's from here. Wow, from here. Boy.
Oh man, god damn it. Well,
Your mouth thought it was chicken?
I don't know what it was. I be stay biting my lip. You know, bite my lip. I don't bite my lip in a simple bite, you know? I talk too much.
Are you okay though?
I can't eat no kind of pepper. Okay, so. It's big?
And the inside.
I can't show y'all. God damn it. I still can't eat beside chicken.
I'm full.
You full? Yeah.
See what you can eat. You can yum it?
Yeah, you took us off. The pepper bun me one.
You gonna be able to eat?
Excuse me.
Oh.
God damn, yo, I don't like that, man.
How is it?
Yeah. But anyways, the show must go on. Man, whatever. That's a big breast.
Right here? Chop it up
Uh-huh.
and make a jerk chicken salad.
That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and put in a salad. Yes, I'm gonna make that. Make it for I'm gonna do it for breakfast.
So you do love, Richie love chicken salad.
Yeah, I love chicken salad. And we'll be putting out a PO box in the description.
Yes, you
Okay.
go.
So,
If you guys want to sell some king crab,
when there's no king crab, we will surely appreciate it.
yeah, you sell us some shrimp. So we can make pepper shrimp, spicy shrimp, gumbo
barbecue
shrimp, barbecue shrimp, fried shrimp. It was a whole lot of shrimp.
Whole lot of shrimp.
That movie, that's one of my best movies.
Life is like a box of chocolate.
You never know what you're gonna get.
Damn. Family, I'm saving that for my chicken salad.
I'm full, my
I
love.
bought my damn lip.
I ate a lot. We ate a lot of chicken.
No, you ate a lot. You ate a lot of chicken, son.
What do you mean?
I ain't lying, but you ate a lot of chicken today. You was in that chicken today. But yeah. We appreciate y'all. Every single one of y'all. Keep hanging with us for this journey. You know what I'm saying? We truly appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like. We shared. Now. Y'all can have the rest now because I already bite my lip. Comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
You guys are the greedy family. We are the greedy couple. You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye. Honey, you beat that shit
I beat that
hard.
shit hard, son.